Hello students, welcome you to English of class 12th. Myself, Shishma Bebarta, PGT English in Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today, I am here to explain you a poem from your English textbook, Flamingo. The name of the poem is My Mother at 66, written by Kamla Das. This poem is a very short poem consisting of only 2 stanzas. The theme of the poem is advancing age and fear of separation. It is a poem of a complex human relationship with a mother and a daughter. The poem begins with the poet Kamla Das driving from her parents' home to Cochin airport. Beside her, her mother, who is 66, is sitting. She has become old. Due to her ill health, she has lost her brightness and strength. The poet is sad and shocked to look at her continuous dozing and open mouth. She compares her face with a ash which is colorless and grey in color. That is why she compares her mother with ashen like that of a corpse. Inside the car, the environment was full of sadness. Just to divert her attention, she looks outside the world. And the poet finds outside the world is full of cheerful and happiness and active. The trees are sprinting, that is, the trees are moving fast in an opposite direction actively. And the children are spilling, that is, the children are merrily coming out of their house to play outside. Both these things makes the poet little bit happy. After a while, they reached to the airport. Again, the poet has to go for a security check. She was standing a few yards away from her mother. Again, she looks at her mother. Again, her mother's face has been turned into yellowish color and her face has faded away. She compares her mother with a late winter moon. Just like in the winter, the moon appears to be dull. Her mother's face has also become dull and lost her brightness and strength. She becomes very sad. This condition arouses the old familiar ache in poet's heart. Here again the childhood fear appears and overcomes the poet. Now she is sure that she has to part away from her mother. She controls herself. She controls her tear and bade goodbye to her mother. She smiles and consoles her mother by saying that she will see her again soon. Smile, smile and smile. This word makes the poet feel that she is hiding her pain, her real pain and fear of losing her mother. She is giving assurance by saying that she will see her again soon. So, to end the poem, we will discuss the poetic device and the questions in my next video. Thank you for hearing the video.